Salve amici, ci troviamo davanti al busto di Bellini qui a Villa Giulia a Palermo.
Hello friends, today we are talking about Vincenzo Bellini, the great Sicilian opera composer. We are in Villa Giulia in Palermo, and at my back you can admire the statue of the Swan of Music, as Bellini was said.
Conservatorio dedicato a Vincenzo Bellini.
In Palermo there are also a theater and a conservatory named after him. Bellini was born in Catania in November 3rd, 1901. His hometown has dedicated to him the theater, a square, a street, the airport, and the public garden. His father was a teacher of music and certainly influenced his son's musical inspiration.
È particolarmente creativo, per cui il giovane Bellini
The young Bellini proved to be extremely capable in the musical field since his early age. He was immediately known throughout Italy with the opera I Capuleti e I Montecchi. Subsequently, he composed the Sonnambula.
Renato di Catania gli dedicò una borsa di studio.
And then the triumphs follow one another with the Norma, also famous for a good gastronomic dish typical of the city of Catania.
Così giovane. Vincenzo Bellini è un capolavoro.
He was often collaborated by the librettist Felice Romani. His last work before his early death was I Puritani, written in 1835. It was said that he was a great womanizer. Indeed, that women led him
Dopo
to
la
an
Sonnambula,
early
i
death.
trionfi di Bellini
Even some of his fellow
seguono,
musicians proposed an autopsy of the
con la
body
Norma, voi
as
sapete,
if to exclude the natural death.
questa
Certainly he left a practically unbridgeable
sonata
void.
sono dedicati
For
anche
us Sicilians,
dei
he
piatti
will always
e
remain an
una
immortal
gastronomia
teacher.
ben definita.